Guys, don't drop thousands of dollars on new catalytic converters for your Porsche Cayenne. It could be super simple fix that costs a few dollars. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne. It could be any generation Porsche Cayenne from year 2002 to currently to year 2025. If you have engine light code P0420, that means catalytic converter not efficient on bank 1, or code P0430, catalytic converter not efficient bank 2, stay with us, we'll explain the easiest way to fix that guys. Okay, in some cases there is no need to spend thousands of dollars on new catalytic converters. It could be something guys that's known, okay, in England they used to call that a £100 fix, because we'll explain about that in a second, but let's explain what we're talking about here and how we can easily fix it. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free videos on every single car. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, codes, almost anything you can think of. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, that way we can keep making them absolutely free. So how we can guys fix that? Okay, if you drive your car in town, you drive it slower, you don't get out of town often, you start it for short distances, most likely the catalytic converters do not get hot enough to actually even clean themselves, and that can guys, okay, cause these lights. In some cases it could be even a bad oxygen sensor, downstream oxygen sensor. We have videos on our YouTube channels how to test downstream oxygen sensor. Check it out guys, it will teach you step by step. But even dirty sensors can be cleaned with that additive guys. Okay, we always try that thing first. Is it efficient every time? No, but we know this 7 out of 10 times it will fix that code when we use it, and it will improve the fuel economy tremendously guys, because it cleans fuel injectors, catalytic converter, oxygen sensors. The car becomes quite responsive. So what is it guys? Okay, we're going to show you now. We're going to open the hood. So this one actually is a 209,000 mile Porsche Cayenne, and we got that light at about 189,000. We used that additive twice. The first time it didn't work, the second time guys it did it, and since then we haven't had catalytic converter light on at all. So this is guys the additive. Let us show you. It's known as catalytic system clean. What it does guys, okay, it cleans engines and reduces emissions of CO2. So all we have to do that guys, add to the fuel. Now this one, it says that it's good for up to 2,000 kilometers or 1,200 miles, and it treats up to 70 liters of fuel. So for instance that Cayenne, the fuel tank is close to 90 liters, so it doesn't need to be all the way full. We have it usually 3/4 full, and one way we found out it's really efficient, get it on a road trip, and especially if you can somewhere through mountain passes where the engine will work harder, the exhaust will get hotter, and while having that additive it can clean everything really good guys. Now make sure you're safe, not speeding, okay, or anything like that, but mountain passes will let your engine run a little bit hotter, that way the exhaust system will clean. So what you guys need to do, okay, all we have to do now, just go ahead and open it guys. And when you open it, you're going to pull the flap here. Okay, you're going to install it now. Okay, let me do that now. Perfect. Careful not to spill it. And the next step guys that we need to do, okay, let me come on this side, see if I can fit. Okay, we're going to come here, open the fuel cap, and now guys all we have to do, okay, just go ahead and empty that thing. It takes less than probably 2 seconds because the hole is so big, but once you do that guys, you're going to close it. Now drive it. If one time doesn't fix it guys, we'll put the link where you can get one from at a good price in the description of the video below. Check it out. We'll recommend try it 2-3 times. Sometimes it could be quite a bit of deposits that needs to clean. It's worth it to try that one than replacing catalytic converters, because catalytic converters can be expensive and they cost you thousands of dollars guys. So always give it a shot because it worked quite often for us. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.